Hey everyone, this is the Magic again. Today video I'm gonna show you the balance for the previous months. It was June. Today is the 1st of July. As you can see, it's 266k for the past month alone. And it was an investment. I guess it was like around 20k, 30k, something like that. I got my team working on my campaigns nowadays, so I'm not really sure how much did we spend, but of course I have a log file of that. Anyway, it's around 25 to 30k was investment. That was the investment, and that was the uh, balance generated 266k. Okay, so today I will give you another campaign, just so you can start right away and run your ads and campaign right away. Just a quick disclaimer, this my revenue is not typical, my results are not typical. You can of course go ahead and make more or make less. It's not like something I can guarantee to you. Anyway, if you just apply what I'm doing, you will make a good amount of money. Not sure how much. Anyway, just saying that my revenue is not typical, so you can make more or less. It's up to you. Okay. So here's a topic that we used recently. It says 14 tips that will help you crack the interview and grab your dream job. Okay, it's a very simple article. Do your homework. There's like around 14 tips. It's very simple topic. Bunch of stock images. And now I wanna again make you notice something. As you can see, there's an ad right here, and another ad. No, yes, this is another ad. Another ad, another ad, another ad, another ad right here, another ad over there, another one right here. This is of course in that floating one right here, another one, another ad, and bunch of other ads. Okay, all these are a bunch of ads, are a bunch of other ads. Okay, what I'm trying to say here is like you have to spam your website with ads. I know the term that the so-called spam doesn't make much nowadays, but only with AdSense. You have to spam your website with ads, okay? Like fill it with ads. The old rule that was saying that you can only have 3 ad placements per page is not doesn't exist anymore. Not recently, actually, like couple of years ago, Google disallowed this rule. So right now it's unlimited. You can place as many ads as you want in your website. Okay, so as you can see right here, this guy is doing it like very well. There is tons of ads on the website, so this way he will generate lots and lots of money. Okay, that website is called inspire.net. It's a really fun website. We grab tons of topics from this website. Their Alexa rank is very high. It's around 8,000, so it's very well established website. Okay, so right now again I will just show you how did I make the campaign, which network that I used. Of course, if anyone saw that part already, you can skip ahead and grab your campaign right away, and you can start your campaign right away. Okay, you'll find that a campaign a download URL underneath this video in the description with a link to this article, so you can copy it and make some modification to the text to make it your own. Use the exact same images. You don't have to change the images at all. And of course, you can use whatever network you are prefer. I personally use this network. It's called CPALeo.com. Again, it's not mine. I have no idea why you guys keep thinking that it's mine. I have no idea. It's just a network that I have achieved success with. I've been with them for almost a year right now, or maybe more than 1 year. They are CPA networks. They have a publisher. I have a publisher account with them. Like 1 year ago, they already shut down they closed the registration, as you can see right here. The registration is closed for now. We will reopen very soon. I have no idea when will they open. So right now I have an account on the advertiser side. I'm so sorry. Let's close this notification anyway. So I use CPALeo.com. You can use whatever network that you are wishing to use. It's up to you. There's tons of networks like on the planet, many like doing very very well, good results. So mine, I just use CPALeo for now. I have no idea if I'm gonna keep using them in the future or not, but so far they are making me very very good results. Okay, so you will head to cpaleo.com, click on advertiser. You will go ahead and see this ad. I'm so sorry, this page. This is the login page. If you don't have an account, you can create one from this word right here. So here it is. This is the registration page. Username, first name, last name, email, company, country, phone number. Of course, you can type anything at the company name, and the phone numbers they won't verify it anyway. Okay. After you're gonna click on sign up, they will approve your account. So please be patient. And after they approve your account, you will get an email saying asking you to create your password. Okay, so you're gonna create a password and log in right away. Okay, so you will head back to the cpaleo.com after the approval. Then you're gonna click on advertiser again, the login page. You're gonna gonna enter your email and password and hit sign in. That's it. Okay, so this is like a demo account I just created for this video. So in order to make let's say a deposit in your account, so you can start run your campaigns right away. You after your login, you will click on demand, click on payments, then you will be taken to this page right here that says payments. So you're gonna click on this plus sign. So after that, you will be taken to this page, add funds, enter the amount that you would like to make a deposit with. Their minimum is $100 and the maximum is $14.99. Of course, if you wanna add more than $14.99, so you're gonna keep multiplying the process. Okay, so it's very very simple. Instantly, you will have your balance in your account, but sometimes they will have to approve your payment first. So just reach out to them and ask them to approve your payment right away. Okay. So now we will head to my account. I have it already open in the tabs right here. This is the main account that I use. As you can see, the balance is 8,621. Of course, you don't have to start this big. As you can see, the results in my AdSense. Like I'm making a very nice amount, so I can invest whatever I want. Okay. So this is the ads dashboard. You're gonna click again on demand, click on ads. You're gonna click on this plus sign right here that says create an ad. So you will be taken to this page that says new ad. Okay. The process is very simple. We keep it banner nowadays, and this is the ad name. Usually we use the article title right here as our ad name. As you can see, also this is the creative. This is the best ad size, 300 by 250. This is perfect for mobile because we will create our campaign for mobile. So this ad size generate very well revenue. Okay. So this is the landing page URL, the URL to your article. We will post it right here. Impression tracking URL. We don't have to use it. So for this particular campaign, we picked career planning. As you can see, it's talking about succeed in your interview and nail your dream job. So career planning went very good and created very nice results. Okay, so after that, you can click on submit and you will be redirected right away to the ads dashboard right away. So you need to activate that ad that you just created. So you're gonna click on inactive. Here it is. Click activate. Very simple, but you have to do this step first before creating your campaign. Okay, so after that you will go to the campaign dashboard. I'm gonna click on demand, click on campaign dashboard, this one. Again, you will click on the plus sign, so you will be taken to the create campaign page right here. Okay. Again, campaign name, we use the exact same title of the article. Offer name, we just say Adsense right here. So we can organize it. CPM, there is only one option. Daily budget, let's say you can start with 100. Of course, I start with higher amount, but this is just my balance. Okay. Bid price is 0.4. That's the minimum right now. They increased it, but it's very nice. Okay. The budget basing, we keep it 5 as 5. Select an ad. Yes, as you can see right here, you will select the ad that we just created, but again, you have to activate it first in order for that ad to show up here. Okay, I'm gonna click here, pick that ad, and that's it. The frequency cap, we always keep it as 2. We just like wants our visitors to see the ad like multiple times. This way, they will be convinced to click on our ad. Okay. So the advertiser domain, it will be the landing page domain. In that example, as I already told you, this website is called inspire.net. It's not mine, but this is just to give you the idea. So you will go ahead and type in your domain right here. Okay. Week part, keep it as it is. Day part, keep it as it is. Now for the countries, I only pick 5 countries, which is Australia, Canada, and New Zealand, United States and United Kingdom. Okay. New Zealand, so United Kingdom and United States, only these 5 countries. So these are the best in my opinion. Okay. Now for the OS, you're gonna pick all the tablet, smartphone, and deselect everything else. It's not worth it. Okay. Now for the OS and versions, I'm gonna pick all the iOS versions, gonna deselect all the desktop versions, and select Android. So iOS and Android, and these 4 right here: Windows, RIM, Bada, and Symbian. Okay. For the network type, we always go with Wi-Fi. Some rare cases when we like don't care about the budget so much, we just go ahead and do GPRS and Wi-Fi. Also in another cases when like that article is like converting and making very nice profit. Of course, you need to go with the GPRS and Wi-Fi so you can get more eyeballs to your ads. Okay. Traffic type, I'm gonna pick mobile web. The traffic source, publishers, again, you're gonna pick everything that gonna show up right here. For example, let me show you how. Let's say we deselect this one. As soon as you click right here, you will see all these publishers listed right below. For example, let's select some of them. Okay, so you're gonna click right here and find all these publishers right here. Just simply click on each one of them until there is nothing else left. Okay, we're gonna keep everything else as is, both for gender, age 16 to 99, keep it as it is. And after that, you're gonna click on submit. So you will be redirected to the campaigns dashboard again. Excuse me. So you're gonna click here right on status, click inactive. Here's the campaign that we just created. Make it, click right here and activate. Okay. So you will head back to active again. You will find your campaign listed below. Okay. So they will approve your campaign right away. So you don't have to take any action whatsoever. This is only your campaign. So they will approve it and you will start to see your traffic come slowly. And that's it. It's very simple. Again, you will get this campaign for you ready. And in the description you will find like a download link, free download link. There's no referral, no affiliate link whatsoever. Just the file with 2 like files in it, an image and a text file. Where is the link to the article, and that image is the creative that we used in our ad, which is this one. So only these 2 things: the image and the landing page URL. That's it. Okay. So that would be it. Actually, I don't want this video to be any any longer than that. So go ahead and use the campaign right away. There is nothing that's stopping you. So apply what you learn right here. Again, you don't have to use CPALeo, use any network whatsoever. It's up to you. The sky is the limit. There is no limitation whatsoever. It's I'm just giving away a free campaign and showing you my experience or what happened with me. So if you are happy with your network, whatever you're buying traffic from, so keep it as it is. You don't have to try CPLAO. It's up to you. Okay. Okay then. We'll see you on the next one. Have a great day. Bye bye.